Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you want to see this makeup look, it will be on before or after this video. If it's on before, I'll link it up here and you can go and see it. So this is my Weight Watchers week 1. So everyone like my Weight Watchers, Johnny Weight Watchers. A couple of people like that, want to see what I got up to. This is week 1. So I'm going to tell you how much I lost. It's not a big loss, but for me, if I use my weight slowly, I actually maintain it off. So I lost, ready for it? £1. I lost £1, maybe £1 in my first week, but I lost £1 and I'm very, very happy. I'm one of these people that are like, I need to lose weight, and this time I'm focusing on my weight loss, and I've been going to the gym as well today, so I'm very happy about that. And I'm going to show you what I got with it. So I got a recipe card, which is basically just a recipe card, which I was like, oh my god, it's a recipe card. And one is chocolate bread and butter pudding for 6 smart points. This is one I want to try it because I love bread and butter pudding. Then there's a herb stuffed leg of lamb. This one I want to try as well because it looks really good. And it's 8 smart points. And it looks so good. So I got the recipe card, which is on a laminate. It's on laminated, so it's really like, if you use it for recipes, it won't, like, you know, kind of get wet. And then I get a book, Find What Moves You. So this one is all about exercising, all about moving and everything. I've lost £1. Now my smart points have gone down now. So I was at 35 smart points. Because I've lost £1, I'm up to 34. So this week it was all right actually. I joined it and then I went to Fort Park the next day basically. Went to Fort Park the next day and I had to take a KFC. That was 28 points. I didn't mind using my weeklies. That's what my weeklies were there for. I was like, I'm gonna have something to eat. So I was just like, I'm going to Fort Park. I don't care if they use 28 points for my weeklies. I know that's what they're there for. And then I had some mince pies and some chocolate cupcakes, and then then all in total I had like 23 points left. And on Thursday it resets again to 45 weekly points. I haven't used my weekly points at the moment. Yesterday I was very good. For breakfast I had avocado and I had cucumber and red onion because I have no more tomato and pepper. And that was really nice on white bread, and I toasted it. I'm going to buy some brown bread so I can make the healthier switch to brown bread. Then for lunch I had a jack potato with prawns, and then for dinner I had rice, chicken and broccoli. Oh my god, it was so good. And I'm loving that. My meals are getting smaller. Oh my good grief. I'm eating slowly, so what helps me to be fuller is that I eat slowly. So I eat my meal slowly, and then that really does help me to basically be more fuller. I drink lots of water and I drink green tea as well. So I have smaller portions, which is really good for me, and I eat my food very slowly. So I put it in my mouth and count to about 5 to 10 seconds and then swallow. So I know I've chewed my food very good, because normally I wouldn't chew. I'd be a fast eater basically. I'd go nom, 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 and then that would be it. And then 2 seconds later I'd be hungry because I've just ate it so fast. I'm like, no, this time I'm not doing that. I'm just going to eat slowly, and it's working. Today for breakfast I had a bacon sarnie with tomato ketchup, and I believe that was 11 or 12 points just because of the bread, but I don't care because it tasted so good. And then I had like a jack potato with cheese and beans, and that was it. That's all I had, and it was really nice. It was so good. I did enjoy it. I do like having jack potatoes on their own because to me jack potato is so filling and it's really good. I just love it. I'm sorry. I'm just loving Weight Watchers. Another thing that I'm counting points and I'm weighing things. That is the thing that I love doing. I'm being so strict with myself though. I'm literally saying to myself, not being strict as in, oh my god, you can't have this or you can't have that. Not being that strict, but I'm saying to myself, stay on your points. If you want a weekly point, wait till Friday or Saturday or Sunday and have your weekly points, and then Monday get right back on it. And that is really good. Then I've been going to the gym as well. I've been going to the gym. I go to a gym, and I went Thursday and I did the elliptical, I did treadmill, I did the rowing machine. The rowing machine I absolutely love. I love the rowing machine. Oh my god, you sit down, just go like that, and your legs go front and back as well, so you're just rowing. And I love that. I love that rowing machine. And then I did that Friday as well. So when I go to the gym, I do cardio a lot, and I do some muscles as well. So I do go like that to get rid of my back wings and everything. And I exercise in each machine for about 5 to 10 minutes. It may not seem a lot, but I love it so much. I just love exercising at the gym now. I'm just loving it because I went 2 times in a row. I wanted to go today. I was like, no, I can't do it today. I was like, no. So I'm not going Saturday, Sunday to the gym. I'm actually working out on a Sunday to Charlotte Crosby DVD, which I absolutely love. It's her Billy Blitz. I'm doing that every Sunday. I'm literally having 1 day off a week to exercise, and that's it. My day off is a Saturday, and then Sunday I exercise, and then that is it. That's basically what I do. I just do that. And I just absolutely love the fact that I'm just doing that and it's just working for me. And then I'm going to the gym Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. And then Saturday is my day off. Then Sunday is, you know, Charlotte Crosby day. So that's what I do. And the weight will fall off steadily. So yes, I did lose a pound, but don't be disheartened if you've lost only a pound. I've lost a pound. At least I've lost something. And because I have no thyroid, it's going to take me a while to actually lose it. But I'm actually loving the fact I am losing the weight. So excited. I'm sorry, I'm just really excited that I've actually joined Weight Watchers and I'm loving it. I'm just loving it. I don't care if I had to count or weigh everything. I don't care. I'm being that strict with myself. Always weighing and counting. I don't care because I want it to be like, you know, really, really good. I've been using the app as well. As soon as I get my new phone, I'll be going on my phone so much. If you want to keep up to date with me as well, I'm on Twitter nearly every day now. On Twitter, I tweet out every day. So if you want to ask me questions, go on Twitter or just down below. And yeah, just don't be so disheartened if you lost a pound, because at least you've lost something. If you do like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below as well for more of my Weight Watchers weekly weigh-ins. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!